Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that this one they can differentiable. So if I put h approach to number 0 gone here, we have f of s minus f of s, you got about 0. Sine of 0, you got about 0. That means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. Now, we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So, if we do first derivative of this one, you got like this. This one we have cosine h. This one we have number 1 because first derivative of s you got about number 1. Now when h approaches to number 0, we put number 0 in here. So first derivative of s minus this one, you got about 0. However, when we put h equal to number 0 in here, we have cosine 0, we have number 1. That means this one we have 0 over 1 and we have 0. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.